The biggest shift happening right now is in that AI helps engineers code faster, although it does. The line between people who can build software and the people who can't is dissolving. If you're a PM, a designer, an operator, anyone with ideas and no engineering team standing by, this changes what's possible for you. So this episode is for everyone. Let's start with what AI coding tools actually are. There's a spectrum. At one end, you have autocomplete tools that live inside an editor. GitHub Copilot is the original. They suggest the next line as you type, useful if you're already coding, not transformative if you are not. In the middle, you have chat-based coding assistants. Cursor is the best known. You describe what you want in plain English. The tool writes the code. You review and run it. This is where most of the value is for engineers right now. It feels like pair programming with someone fast and patient. At the far end, you have agentic coding tools, Claude Code and similar tools from other labs. You give them a task and they read your code base, plan the changes, write the code, run the tests, and come back with a working result. You are less of a typist and more of a director. For a PM or non-engineer, the practical entry point isn't any of these. It's a general chat tool, Claude or ChatGPT, used to build small things from scratch. A landing page, a script that cleans a spreadsheet, a simple internal tool, a prototype to show your team what you mean. The mindset shift is the important part. You don't need to learn to code in this traditional sense. You need to learn to describe what you want clearly enough that the model can build it, then to read the output well enough to know if it is right. Let me show you what this looks like. I'm going to ask the model to build a simple landing page for a fictional product. I'll describe what I want in plain English. No code from me. Watch what comes back. It's a working page. I can open it in browser. It's not production ready, but it's a starting point. I would have needed an engineer half a day to build. Now I'll ask for changes the same way. Make the headline bolder. Add a sign-up form. The iteration loop is fast. A few principles that hold across all of this. Describe outcomes, not implementations. Build a page that does X, works better than, use this framework with that library. The model will pick reasonable defaults. If you have strong opinions about the stack, say so, otherwise let it choose. Run the code, don't just read it. AI-generated code looks plausible far more often than it works. Running it is the only honest test, even if you don't understand the code. You can tell whether it's just the thing or not. Iterate in small steps. Big sweeping requests produce big sweeping bugs. Small focus requests produce small focus changes you can verify. This is true whether you are an engineer or not. For PM specifically, the highest leverage used for this is prototyping. The next time you want to communicate an idea, instead of writing a spec, build a rough version. Show, don't tell. It changes the conversation entirely. For engineers, the shift is bigger. The skill that's appreciating in value is judgment. Knowing what to build, how to architect it, what to verify, whether the model is about to make a mistake. The skill that depreciating is typing speed. Adjust accordingly. The people who pull ahead in this next phase aren't the best coders or the best prompters. They are the people who can move from idea to working artifacts super fast, regardless of which keys they are hitting to get there.